Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi Sharma and I'm Partner Innovation and Enablement Consultant at ABBYY. Today I'm here to talk about how we can leverage the quality analytics for optimizing the touchless processing. Today I'm going to demonstrate how the quality analytics dashboard can provide deep insights into processing results and guide you to significantly enhancing the workflows and constantly increasing the STP rates. So, without any further delay, let's start with a high level overview of our dashboard. As you can see my screen, this is our quality analytics dashboard. Here you can track the chain of documents that are being processed without human intervention over the time. This is also known as the STP rate. This ensures that your automation goals are met and your operations become more and more efficient with time. As a first step, you can identify whether your documents are classified correctly and routed to the correct extraction model or not. This is very essential for making sure that we get the high quality of extraction results. Here you can identify if you need to adjust your classification model or train any new document classification models, which is also known as classification skill in ABBYY Vantage. Moving on, as we see on the dashboard, we can explore how we can optimize human in loop resources. With high rate of documents requiring no correction, you might be able to adjust your verification settings. Therefore, you can make sure that your STP rates are increasing and you save a lot of valuable time and resources. Another significant benefit is analyzing the extraction accuracy by drilling down to various aspects like document type, document source, image quality, and specific fields, constantly showing the extraction issues. This granular analysis helps in identifying the root cause of any performance issues that might be happening. Throughout the entire dashboard, you will receive invaluable details, helping you to draw the correct conclusion, providing you with the targeted improvement recommendations. This ensures that you make the informed decisions and continuously refine your workflows.